Is it true that the day before SAF fired the first shots?
Your Honor, based on the accounts ng team leader ng assault force doon sa kay Marwan, ang unang pumutok is yung IED, Your Honor, na nakatanim doon sa paligid ng pinagtataguan na kubo ni Marwan.
According to the MILF report, Marwan was killed while he was sleeping. That was the MILF report. Do you agree with that?
Hindi ko po akong maaaring maniwala po doon, Your Honor. Dapat na pumutok yung IED, imposible po naman siguro na hindi ka magigising sa lakas ng putok na, Your Honor.
Yung 55th SAF po, were they the ones who fired the first shots? That led to the death of MILF Omar Dagadas and Ali Ismael, according to the MILF report.
Again, Your Honor, mas maganda po na ang sasagot niyan mismo yung lone survivor na kasama din po doon sa na-mention kanina ng ating kagalang-galang na Secretary ng Interior of Local Government na pwede pong mag-appear doon sa executive session. Sa po yung CPO2 Christopher Lalan.